is ดอกมะลิดอก flowers มะลิ jasmine ค่ะ next rose Thai people say ดอกกุหลาบค่ะ here today I choose the blue or light blue who know light blue in Thai or blue สีอะไรคะสีฟ้า Teacher wear light blue also why because the queen Sirikit พระพันปีหลวง her birthday on Friday so Thai people match the day with the color so Friday match with สีฟ้า or light blue so that's why everywhere we decorate with light blue the twist pattern the Malai have many pattern but today I choose Clio means twist everyone you have to twist and then make this shape not difficult I choose the easiest one for you so you can come closer how to make the garland let's start we will start with the easiest way come closer please if you can see so everyone you have the wire everyone have the wire please start with the easiest the wire we call เส้นลวด or ลวด and if everyone you have ดอกรัก in the plastic bag you have one set for everyone but if not enough all is great you can have in the middle I have a lot you can have here also and then choose how to pluck very easy pluck from the big part so this is the biggest part this is the smallest part right pluck here and then spring you keep the distance a little bit here because we have to twist okay so I need 30 of this so that's why it's not difficult but it's just a lot of work we can do the meditation in the same time because we don't have time to speak so do like this 3 who learn number 4 5 what do you think everyone can do easy right so why I do this because this is more difficult do this is easier right now have a big hole here and then okay so we need 30 together 5 so everyone get 5 right we have the 5 pieces okay so we will do 5 so after you get this 5 of this dot wrap so 1 2 2 3 and then 3 because it's fresh right do slowly it's really great it's not plastic it's real love okay 3 if you want to twist only 3 you can guess the size it's like this so I start with 5 not too big not too small 1 2 3 4 and then 5 so the length is around 60 centimeters the wide so after you combine everything together like this you hold and then have twist and then you have a plier this one can help you but if your hand is strong enough you can twist with your hand my hand is so weak okay do like this twist หมุน Thai means หมุน lock and then next step twist again ดูส่วนลงลึกนะคะส่วนเบรกไว้ที่ because it's the wire can keep the shape for you twist in the same direction okay make it nicer make it in the round shape and then tie it together this one same นะคะ you have to twist again and then can you guess after you think the shape is okay is twist like you like join it together and then twist again tie it together and make it a round shape and how about this it's not beautiful can you guess cut so this is called the body ตัวมาลายสวยไหมคะขอบคุณค่ะ beautiful yes now we get this part now here uba is the hanging part like this the hanging torso two sides today so now we get the body we get the uba this is called uba in Thai called uba it's not nice right so I have to close with this hand this is the heart it's not difficult but just takes time so you have to tear the petals of the crown flower piece by piece like this how to tear like this one you see the core inside only it's a choice for you now if you think it's okay you cannot do you can do something else and close with the flowers like this time okay but I will teach anyway if you have time in your house so turn the petals outside so this is inside you see here the part that is turned outside not here right and then pluck not here because when you survive it's when you tear everything so you can pluck like this around here see? class and this class together